Got a Mexican restaurant. It's got 2 hoods, 2 ducts, 2 fans. So normally I ask for a fan access portal. In this case, there's actually a portal there, but the actual hatch is missing. So it looks like somebody forgot to put them on, or they're not on the roof anywhere. I don't see them anywhere on the roof. So we're gonna go ahead and add portals so that this grease doesn't leak. As you can see, gives us access to the fan housing. Also, there should be a drip cup here, and the drip cup would be right here and it would catch the grease rather than leaking down onto this bakery pan. So that's not the way to contain grease. Also, this fan here, I don't know if you can tell, you can feel it, you can hear it, it's got a bad belt. How do I know that? Well, I pop this. See if I can do this with the camera. See? Look at that belt. That belt has seen better days. So what does this place need? Needs a good initial cleanup, top to bottom. There's our ductwork. Not too bad. This side here just needs a basic cleaning. This other side here, where you see the grease leaking, this side is a lot worse. This one definitely needs a good cleanup. You can tell it's overdue. They're overdue for service. I think they said their vendor is gone, or they couldn't reach him anymore. I'm going to show you this one here as well. That's definitely dirty. So, what does this need? Full initial cleanup, top to bottom, get all the grease out of there, and then do preventative maintenance. That's the name of the game. The cleaning every 3 months prevents all of this buildup that you see right here. It's totally preventable through preventative maintenance. And Bryan Exhaust Service, we're going to take care of it.